Hey, it's J Renee and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the ColourPop Wine and Only collection, which I received in PR. And a little bit about me if you're new on my channel. I'm a beauty influencer based in New York City. I have albinism, I'm legally blind, but I love beauty and I'm here to share that with you all. If you guys like the content on my channel, make sure that you subscribe. I'm trying to do more unboxings, PR, and tutorials, and pretty soon I'm also going to be doing some decluttering videos and, you know, my faves and all of that. I want to give you guys a little bit of details about what I'm wearing today before I go into unboxing the ColourPop PR and recreating this look. So this shirt that I got, it says over it, I got this from Chocolate Boutique in Brooklyn, which I will link below. My little faux pearls are from Rainbow. You guys know I love Rainbow. My nails, I am wearing the shade Chanel La Vernis nail color in the shade April. I'm also wearing a Sinful Colors nail polish in the color Supernova, which is on my ring finger. And I am also enjoying a glass of wine in honor of the Wine and Only collection. What I'm drinking on is Chateau Diana Winery. And you guys know this is like cheap wine. It was like $7 at Walgreens, Dwayne Reed. So it tastes alright. It's a Cabernet Sauvignon, California. I don't know how to say this honestly, but that's what I got and that's what I'm enjoying for this video. So if you guys want to check out any of those products, I will link everything below for you guys, and hopefully you will enjoy this video. Like, subscribe, and share. You know what to do. Alright, here we go. Okay, so to start off with this look, I'm going to go over how I prep my skin. Today I used a different cleanser than the one I used last time because I forgot that I had put everything over here. So I used the Bliss Clear Genius Clarifying Gel Cleanser. It has BHA and Brazilian seawater. Last time I had used the Good Molecules Cleanser, which is Rosewater Daily Cleanser Gel. I like both of these a lot. I have been using this one a little more frequently, but for this look I did want to showcase the Good Molecules products because I have been enjoying these a lot. I was sent these in PR, and I do think that these are really great quality products and affordable. This is the toner, which I also used. It's the Niacinamide Brightening Toner. Now, as you can see, I don't need to be any brighter than I already am. But it can help with, you know, having a dull complexion. It'll brighten up your skin, make your skin look more fresh. And I also used the Good Molecules Pure Cold Pressed Rosehip Seed Oil, and this is one of my favorite products that they've sent me so far. This is really nice. What I use to prep my skin, just like, it's almost like moisturizing, and rosehip oil is really good for like prepping your skin for makeup. Then I went on to use some ColourPop products. I started off with the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Primer, and I've used this a few times. As you can see, the bottle is not all the way, like it's almost halfway empty, but I haven't used it a whole lot. I've used it a couple of times, and I do like hyaluronic acid as an ingredient. It makes my skin feel very smooth. I also use the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Tinted Moisturizer, and the shade that I use is Fair 2W. This is nice. It's a nice like moisturizer. It has a very light tint to it. It comes in several shades. I could use this in the summertime just as like a foundation. It has enough coverage that you don't necessarily need to use more unless you want a fuller coverage. So I did go ahead and use a foundation on top of the moisturizer. I used the ColourPop No Filter foundation in the shade Fair 05, and I think this may be the lightest shade. I have affiliate code with ColourPop, which is 5JRenee, and that helps you to save $5 on your ColourPop purchase at ColourPop.com. I do not earn any commission from ColourPop. I just have that code for you guys to help you save money. Any links that are in my description, I may be receiving a commission if it's like from Amazon. On my brows, I'm using the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Pencil. You guys know, if you've been watching me for the last year or so, this is one of my favorite brow products to use, and it's in the color Taupe. I'm also going to be using Wet n Wild Eyeshadow Primer. I forgot to put this on already, but I don't think I've used this before. This may be my first time using it. And it comes in like a peachy nude color. So I am going to be using an eyeshadow primer base underneath the products that I will be creating this look today. And later I will be using a setting powder from Juvia's Place and contour and highlight from Absolute New York. So I will mention those as I get to them in just a bit. Right now we're going to focus on the new collection from ColourPop, which is the Wine and Only collection. And this is what the box looks like. It says Wine Not. How cute is that? Burgundy is like one of my favorite colors. So these are like wine type colors, burgundy, reds. You're my wine and only. I love that. So they actually sent me the full collection. The first product that I tried out of here was the Soul Body Shimmering Dry Oil, and I watched a few other videos reviewing this collection, and all the ladies, they happen to have fair skin, they all said that this was too dark for them, and you know, I'm the fairest of them all. I have albinism, so I don't have any color in my skin. And when I tried this, I didn't see any issue with it. It does come out looking like it's gonna be dark, but when you blend it in, it's pretty much colorless and just leaves this very nice shimmering golden, you know, just a shimmering golden oil, body oil on your skin. So I don't understand why they felt that this color would not work for fairer skin tones or light, you know, it really could work for any complexion. It has golden and pink shimmer in it. It's very pretty and it smells nice. I was expecting this not to work for me based on the reviews that I watched, but I don't know if they just didn't try it on themselves or what the issue was, because I tried it and I love it, and I think I will be wearing this very often. It smells very nice. And continuing on, the next product that I tried, I believe, was the Super Shock Shadow Duo, the Sommelier. And look, I already swatched these because I did this look already. And I have the color Muse and the color Wind Down. If I can get a good picture here for you guys to see. So these colors were really exciting for me to use. I like these colors a lot, and I am gonna go ahead and apply these onto my eyelid. Those are really nice to use as like a base, or you could wear them alone. I did do another look, a separate look the other day that just used these that I wore for New Year's Day, and it was very simple, a very nice wine color on my lids using just the Super Shock shadows, and you know, I just apply it with my fingers and blend it out, and I was really impressed with how that came out looking. I'm going to try to recreate the same look that I did, which I'll show you guys the picture here so you guys can get an idea of how that's supposed to come out looking at the end. I'm just so upset that I sat here and recorded and then realized I did it in time-lapse mode. So now I'm watching my iPad on the monitor closely to make sure that it's still in video mode. Being a legally blind content creator, there are sometimes oops that I try to avoid, and sometimes it just goes right past me because I didn't see it in time. So I really sat here and recorded 2-3 videos and didn't capture anything. It's quite annoying. I have the Super Shock shadows on. Next in this collection, we have the Wine and Only eyeshadow palette. Similar to a lot of ColourPop palettes, in the plastic casing. It has 9 circular pans, 3 mattes, and looks like 2, 3, 4 shimmers, 5 shimmers if you count this one. This one's kind of like, it's less shimmery than the other ones, and then this one looks more glittery. I saw in the review someone was using this palette and they got a lot of fallout from that last color there. It's very pretty. It's like a brown with red and golden shimmer. But I saw they were experiencing a whole lot of fallout, which I am not looking forward to experiencing that myself. So we're going to avoid that shade today. I'm going to be using Sip Sip on my crease. ColourPop eyeshadows always have a lot of great quality to them, a lot of good color payoff. I'm going to be using Blanc on my lid. Oh wow, that's very pretty. It's like a golden pink, peachy pink. Super pretty. I'm going to use the what is it? Mull it over. You guys, please bear with me. I'm legally blind. Just reading these names on here is difficult. I don't think I used this shade last time actually, but I'm kind of going with the flow here. I did use this palette, so same palette, similar look. Maybe I did use this. I think I did. Just don't remember this name. And I'm also going to be using that Blanc color a little bit on my brow bone. Just a little bit. Fluffy blending brush to just blend it out really well. And yeah, that's pretty much the basics of the look that I did. I'm going to use the color Vinter. Is that what that's called? I'm going to use that in the very corner and make this a lot deeper here in the corner of my crease. Also below, underneath my lash line, and bring the Blanc shade out on the inner part of my lash line.